Welcome back, guys. Today, we're uncovering 15 mind-blowing Amazon kitchen gadgets you didn't even know existed. From futuristic smart tools to unexpected problem solvers, these gadgets are absolute game changers. Let's check them out. As always, links to all products are in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This electric cheese grater is designed to make food prep effortless and efficient. Equipped with 5 interchangeable stainless steel drum blades, it allows you to grate, slice, and shred cheese, vegetables, nuts, and more with ease. The powerful motor ensures smooth operation, while the compact design makes it easy to store. Whether you're preparing salads, garnishing dishes, or creating finely grated cheese for your favorite recipes, this electric grater is a must-have kitchen tool. This bread maker machine is your perfect kitchen companion for effortless homemade bread. With 17-in-1 automatic programs, this stainless steel bread machine allows you to bake a variety of bread types, from whole wheat to gluten-free, with just the touch of a button. The 2-pound capacity is ideal for families, and the intuitive LCD display makes operation simple. Featuring a non-stick pan, customizable crust settings, and a delay timer, this bread maker ensures fresh, delicious bread whenever you want it. This cupcake maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen for effortless baking. With its non-stick coating, you can easily bake delicious, evenly cooked cupcakes without the hassle of messy cleanups. Designed for convenience, this compact and lightweight appliance allows you to whip up sweet or savory treats in just minutes. The sleek, space-saving design makes storage simple, while the indicator lights ensure perfect timing every time. Whether you're making classic cupcakes, muffins, or mini quiches, this cupcake maker delivers consistent results with ease. This silicone baking mat is your ultimate kitchen companion for effortless baking. Made from premium food-grade silicone, it provides a non-stick surface that eliminates the need for parchment paper or greasing. Designed to withstand high temperatures, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly baked goods every time. This reusable and easy-to-clean mat saves you time and money while promoting an eco-friendly kitchen. This ice cream bowl maker brings the joy of homemade waffle cones and bowls right to your kitchen. Designed for ease and convenience, it features non-stick plates for effortless release and quick cleanup. With an adjustable browning control, you can customize the crispiness of your cones and bowls to perfection. The compact design ensures easy storage, while the included roller and bowl press make shaping simple. Whether you're crafting classic waffle cones or edible dessert bowls, this appliance is perfect for adding a delightful touch to any ice cream treat. This dumpling press maker takes the hassle out of dumpling making, giving you perfectly shaped dumplings in seconds. Designed for efficiency and convenience, this electric press simplifies the process with just one press, ensuring uniform dumplings every time. Whether you're a beginner or a dumpling enthusiast, this machine saves time and effort, making it perfect for home kitchens and food lovers. Compact, easy to clean, and built for durability, it's a must-have for anyone who enjoys fresh, homemade dumplings without the mess. This dough cutter is a must-have tool for every baking enthusiast and professional chef. Designed for precision and efficiency, this stainless steel dough cutter features 5 adjustable wheels, allowing you to create even strips with ease. Whether you're making pasta, pastry, or lattice pie crusts, this cutter ensures uniform cuts every time. The durable construction provides long-lasting use, while the expandable design adapts to different widths for versatile baking needs. This triple meatball maker tool is designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. With its triple slot design, you can shape 3 perfectly round meatballs at once, saving time and ensuring uniformity. Made from high-quality, food-safe material, this tool is durable, easy to clean, and built to last. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it simple to press and release meatballs with precision. This pancake batter dispenser is the perfect tool for making pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, and more with precision and ease. Designed with a wide mouth opening for mess-free filling and a drip-free nozzle for controlled pouring, it ensures even batter distribution every time. The 4-cup, 900 milliliters capacity is ideal for making multiple servings without constant refilling. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, this dispenser is durable, lightweight, and easy to clean. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just want perfectly portioned treats, this pancake batter dispenser makes breakfast and baking effortless and fun. This bacon cooker is the ultimate solution for crispy, delicious bacon in minutes. Designed for convenience, it allows you to cook multiple strips evenly while reducing grease for a healthier result. The vertical rack ensures excess fat drips away, making your bacon crispier and less greasy. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to stovetop splatters and enjoy perfectly cooked bacon effortlessly with this microwave-friendly bacon cooker. This cake batter scoop is the ultimate tool for effortless and mess-free baking. Designed to evenly distribute cake batter into cupcake liners, baking pans, or molds, this scoop ensures consistent portion sizes every time. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the precision spout allows for controlled pouring, preventing spills and overflows. Made from high-quality, food-grade material, it's durable, easy to clean, and a must-have for home bakers and professionals alike. This dough blender is the top professional tool for effortlessly mixing and cutting butter into flour. Designed with high-quality stainless steel blades, it ensures a smooth and consistent blend for pastries, biscuits, pie crusts, and more. The ergonomic, soft grip handle provides comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during use. Built for durability, this heavy-duty dough cutter is a must-have for any home baker or professional chef. Whether you're making crumbly dough or mashing fruits and vegetables, this versatile tool delivers precision and efficiency in every use. This potato ricer is the ultimate kitchen tool for achieving smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes and more. Designed with a sturdy, easy grip handle and a large 15 ounces capacity, it allows you to effortlessly rice even the toughest vegetables with ease. Whether you're preparing mashed potatoes, baby food, or purees, the fine mesh ensures a smooth, lump-free texture every time. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and the dishwasher-safe feature ensures hassle-free cleanup. This one-hand donut maker is the perfect tool for effortlessly making delicious homemade donuts. Designed for convenience, it allows you to dispense batter with just one hand, ensuring uniform shapes and sizes every time. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making baking easier and mess-free. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this donut maker is ideal for creating perfectly round treats in minutes. This egg separator is the perfect kitchen tool for effortless egg preparation. Designed for convenience, it quickly separates egg whites from yolks while also functioning as a handy egg beater. Whether you're making fluffy meringues, healthy omelets, or homemade mayonnaise, this tool ensures precision and ease. Made from durable, food-grade materials, it's lightweight, easy to clean, and a must-have for any home cook or baker. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.